Hello everyone, it's Isaac here. Welcome again to the channel. Today we're talking about how to become a software engineer without a computer science degree. Software engineering is one of the most in-demand and high-paying professions in the world. But what if you don't have a computer science degree? Don't worry, you can still become a software engineer. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know to become a software engineer without a computer science degree. I will cover the skills you need, the resources you can use to learn, and how to land your first job. So if you are interested in becoming a software engineer, but you don't have a computer science degree, I think you're going to find this video very helpful. Like I said, software engineers are one of the highest paid professionals, and the interesting thing is that it only requires hands-on experience in programming even if you don't have a computer science degree. Basically, your value to employers or clients lies in your ability to write code that addresses their specific business requirement. The software engineering field is projected to experience a remarkable 24% growth by 2026, marking it as one of the fastest growing professions. For those pursuing a career in software development, the future looks bright for real. Not only do jobs requiring digital tech skills command higher salaries with an average salary of about $90,000 in the US for junior roles. Companies are actively searching for and struggling to find talented engineers to fill their roles. In fact, positions are opening up faster than they can be filled, meaning that people with the right digital skills are in high demand. What do software engineers do? Software engineers are skilled IT professionals who create a variety of software applications and networking systems using programming languages. They typically work for software engineering firms, large corporations, or production companies to help with product development. The truth is that software engineer is just a catchphrase for several career paths in tech that work with software. However, taking a closer look reveals that the phrase software engineer doesn't begin to accurately describe the in and outs of many software engineer roles available. Here are the major types of software engineers, the skills and tools they need. Number 1, backend engineer. Backend software engineers specialize in constructing the foundational components that drive the functionality of websites or mobile applications. Picture the backend as the structural framework of a website where data storage and execution of most business logic take place. It's the central hub where all the elements converge. For instance, in the context of a task management application, the front end is responsible for displaying and enabling data manipulation. However, the back end, crafted by back-end software engineers, handles matters such as determining which data can be edited and manages the storage of that data. Is back-end software engineering a good fit for you? Well, this position is a great fit for someone that's business logic oriented. Business logic is focused on executing real-world business needs of the application. Back-end engineers are less interested in visual creativity and user interaction, instead choosing to work behind the scenes on application structure. Skills that are needed to qualify as a back-end engineer include experience with coding languages such as PHP, Java, Python, Ruby, C#, JavaScript, and other back-end programming technologies. Familiarity with server-side frameworks like Laravel, Express.js, Django, Ruby on Rails, Spring, Flask, and ASP.NET. Good grasp of MySQL, MongoDB, or Cassandra. Ability to write efficient and scalable code. It's very important. Familiarity with cloud services such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, or Heroku. Capacity to meet with clients and stakeholders to understand needs, vision, and goals. Number 2, front-end engineer. A front-end engineer is a software professional responsible for crafting the user-facing interface that you interact with. Anything you engage with through the web browser is meticulously designed and implemented by a front-end engineer. Front-end software development involves taking various website elements such as text, design, images, and more, and seamlessly weaving them into a unified website that users can effortlessly navigate. The term front-end is essentially shorthand for front-end web developer. This distinction is made because developers working on mobile applications are commonly referred to as mobile developers. However, in both cases, they are essentially creating applications that serve as the visible interface in front of a back-end application. Is front-end engineering a suitable path for you? Well, front-end software engineering demands a blend of creativity and comfort with working with user interfaces and user experience design. If you derive satisfaction from constructing visually captivating and interactive front ends, this field of engineering could be an excellent fit for you. Front-end software engineers prioritize the user's perspective more than their back-end counterparts, focusing on presentation logic instead of business logic. Presentation logic revolves around how an application's business functions are presented to the user, shaping the user's interaction with computer programs and applications. This includes elements like pop-ups, drop-down menus, and screen navigation. As a front-end developer, you hold responsibility for everything that the user observes and interacts with on websites or mobile applications. Skills needed to become a front-end engineer include strong knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, ability to code responsive designs that work across various devices and screen sizes, familiarity with front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue.js, CSS preprocessors such as Sass or Less, good understanding of UX/UI design principles. Number 3, full stack engineer. If you understand what the front end and back end is, then it's easy to understand what a full stack engineer is, because front end plus back end equals to a full stack engineer. Full stack software engineers are professionals who operate across the entire stack of development technology, encompassing both the front end and back end aspects. Often characterized as versatile web developers, these software engineers juggle various roles and can swiftly respond to diverse demands in web development. Full-stack developers may not always possess the same level of in-depth expertise as their specialized counterparts, but their capacity to function on both fronts of the application equips them to independently complete entire application features in many cases. Is a career in full-stack software engineering right for you? Full-stack software development is an excellent career choice for individuals capable of seamlessly transitioning from back-end to front-end development. It necessitates adaptability and a comprehensive grasp of both business and presentation logic. Full-stack developers are creative and user-focused, while also releasing the construction of data structures and the design of back-end system architecture. Their greatest asset lies in their versatility with various types of software. The skills required to become a full-stack software engineer includes all the skills required to become a front-end and back-end engineer. Number 4, mobile application developers. Take a glance at your cell phone and smart devices. The software that powers them was conceived, crafted, and put into action by mobile developers. Mobile developers often specialize in specific operating systems, with Android and iOS being two prominent examples. They dedicate themselves to staying ahead of user demands and proactively releasing updates. Their tasks encompasses activities such as code assessment, problem solving, and devising solutions. Is a career in mobile engineering suitable for you? Well, mobile developers should possess a strong inclination toward creating streamlined and user-friendly interface experiences. A crucial aspect of this software development role involves understanding user and client requirements for mobile applications and transforming those insights into tangible solutions. This profession demands a high degree of creativity. The skills needed to become a mobile application developer include strong knowledge of languages like Objective-C, Swift, Kotlin, Flutter, familiarity with mobile development tools such as Xcode or Android Studio, good understanding of mobile devices and operating systems, ability to write efficient and optimized code. So yeah, these are the major types of software engineers that we have out there, but we have several others like Web3 engineer, compiler engineer, embedded system engineer, operating system engineer, data scientist, artificial intelligence engineer, game developers, and DevOps engineers. So what are the benefits of becoming a software engineer without a degree? The truth is that there are several potential benefits to becoming a software engineer without a computer science degree or a degree at all, and here are some of them. Minimizes costs relating to education and student debts. By choosing to become a software engineer without earning a college degree or going to the university, you have the opportunity to save money and alleviate yourself of future loan payments. Another benefit is that it allows you to learn at your own pace, because a degree program allows students to complete coursework on a full or part-time basis, meaning they have to finish their degree in a minimum of 3 to 4 years. However, by choosing an alternative education pathway, you can study at a pace that helps you develop an in-depth understanding of programming languages and industry practices. Another benefit is that it gives you time to develop your professional experiences. During a time when most software engineering students undertake a full-time course schedule, you can complete work in IT roles and earn certifications. This helps you enhance your professional credibility when applying for jobs. This will also allow you to learn at your pace. Degree programs allow students to complete coursework on a full-time or part-time basis, meaning they can finish their degree in a minimum of 3 to 4 years. However, by choosing an alternative education pathway, you can study at a pace that helps you develop an in-depth understanding of programming languages and industry practices. It also encourages you by giving you control of your future. Pursuing a software engineering career without a college degree in computer science is a beneficial option for those who enjoy teaching themselves and having control of their own education. It also inspires you to take action and work hard to achieve your goals. Typically, those who want to work as software engineers pursue a 4-year bachelor's degree in either software engineering, computer systems engineering, or computer science. However, there are other ways to become a software engineer outside of a traditional degree program. So here are 2 major ways you can pick up coding skills and take steps towards a career in programming without a degree. Number 1 way is to take courses online. With the abundance of excellent online resources tailored for beginners, including video tutorials, vlogs, blogs, and even podcasts, it has never become more convenient for newcomers to acquaint themselves with the fundamentals. If you are just embarking on a journey, I recommend exploring FreeCodeCamp's JavaScript Basics. If you seek a more comprehensive learning experience, enrolling in Treehouse, Udemy, or Plural sites are worthwhile investments. These online schools offers courses specifically designed for beginners aspiring to acquire coding skills for a career in tech industry at an affordable price, and granting access to a vast repository of online tutorials and guides. Free resources also provide an excellent entry point to the coding realm, allowing you to grasp the essential elements of software development. This opportunity enables you to test the waters and ascertain whether this career path aligns with your aspirations without making a financial commitment. While self-guided online learning may not suit everyone, it is a vital aspect of your research and ultimately your coding journey. When it comes to upskilling online, remember not to lose heart if the first resource you attempt doesn't resonate with your learning style. Individuals have unique learning preferences, so if FreeCodeCamp doesn't quite match your needs, remain open-minded and keep an eye out for alternatives. The digital landscape continually introduces new platforms for you to explore. Some other websites that contain free resources where you could learn how to code include YouTube, Coursera, Codecademy, and W3 Schools. And number 2 is to join a coding bootcamp. In contrast to self-study and online courses where you are largely responsible for your own learning, coding bootcamps provide an immersive and intensive educational experience. These programs equip you with essential programming skills needed to launch a career as an entry-level developer. Unlike traditional universities where lecturers are often delivered to large groups with limited one-to-one interaction, coding bootcamps typically maintain a lower staff-to-student teaching ratio. Moreover, every student receives dedicated support from a team of mentors, ensuring that assistance is readily available whenever you encounter persistent problems or errors. Even in the remote learning environment, coding bootcamps often remain highly interactive and supportive. Live lectures enable students to ask questions, mentee groups have their exclusive sessions and breaks, and help desks guarantee swift responses and assistance whenever you need answers or help with a particular issue. Some cool coding bootcamps include ALX Africa, the Odin Project, Old School Africa, Decagon, and many more. Now, immediately you are done learning online or graduating from a bootcamp, there are some things you need to have done. And number 1 is networking and finding a mentor. Networking and mentorship are crucial aspects that can be initiated even before you finish your education. Building a network of mentors and peers is one of the most effective ways to discover job opportunities through referrals and word of mouth. Therefore, it's essential to establish connections with professionals who can provide valuable guidance. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and tech events are excellent places to find mentors and expand your network. Number 2 is creating a portfolio. Upon graduating from your bootcamp or online learning program, it's advisable to develop a diverse portfolio that showcases your software engineering abilities. Consider the type of role you aspire to have within a company and ensure your portfolio includes a range of applications that demonstrate your proficiency in various aspects of software development. Highlight the types of programming you've engaged in, whether it's individual, collaborative, or group projects. Expand beyond the projects you completed during your bootcamp or online learning, and articulate how your work on these projects fueled your passion for pursuing a career in software engineering. Craft projects that underscore your innovation and your capability to devise solutions that can benefit the organizations where you intend to apply. Number 3, and I'm sure this is the part you want to hear, start applying for jobs. Once you've completed your education, it's time to begin your job search. You can explore job opportunities on various websites such as LinkedIn Jobs, Indeed, WorldFound, which was formerly known as AngelList Talent. It is crucial to maintain persistence during your job search journey and submit multiple applications. Additionally, ensure that your LinkedIn profile is well optimized. Recruiters review LinkedIn profiles to assess their candidates. Make sure your profile is completed, highlights your skills and experiences, and features a professional photo. A strong LinkedIn presence can enhance your visibility to potential employers. Remember not to be discouraged by initial setbacks and keep applying to positions that align with your career aspirations. Job hunting can be a process, but with determination and appealing online presence, you can increase your chances of securing the job you desire. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on software engineering and other tech-related topics. See you in the next video. Bye for now.